Brown Home Pool coming to you live with another one, man. We're doing some doors, some putting in doors. As you can see, this wood is brick mold here. It's made, these doors are made to go on the outside of the brick mold instead of on the inside. So they're a little easier to install, but it still takes time. You don't want anything to be in the way of that metal once you put it up here. It will make it bend certain way. Pretty long screws in here, probably from the old stuff that they had is broke off. So what I'm doing now is getting that out of there. Get the two sides of wood. Due to the fact that I ain't got a tip on it, I can't just screw it out, so it came on out. Thank God for that. Got a little sunlight, but we also got a little We have a little bit of rain. So, like I said, this goes on the outside, you line it up pretty good. It lines up. This rain is really poor. Put some more brick roll up here. This brick roll doesn't look good. Too much. That brick roll, no good. Read that real good, though. A different way. We're gonna have to read that right here a different way. Script. It's got to be script out. going in. Not nothing right there, so. And this one's just. Ooh. This right here is supposed to. Okay. I'm gonna need you to push this over, so I'll cut that out.